Go down. Have you seen this one? Take a look. This one?
I know what's that for.
Okay.
What for the pako?
Tina, just like that, huh? Here. Take a look. Baby, oh. There's two of them, eh. What do you want to do? Here or the other side? Here or there? This one?
Katilikod.
Yeah, making sure it's recording, baby.
It's
Ulitin
recording.
natin to from the start.
It's recording nga.
Ulitin natin to from the start.
From the start.
Fine.
Why is it lying?
Kaya. Ate, go to the other side.
Maliit lang eh.
What?
Maliit lang eh. Maliit lang. I'll take it off with.
To the other side. There. Are you still recording?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Ate, go to the other side.
Pwede ko i-testing.
Wait lang, baby. This one. This one.
Why do you see all that?
You wanna try inside? If you're gonna fit, come on.
Ay?
This is my toddler. Is it so small? And this is the other toddler. Come on. Dali kayo yung model ko. Go inside. Go. O, nanay, tatay. Kasya yan. Ang lalaki niyo. Mga Amazona ko yung mga anak ko eh. Ang laki nga. Wait lang ah. Try to do this. The net. Kaya the other side, of course. Dahan-dahan, baby. Wow. Oh, the other side naman.
Huh?
Oh, dali, open nyo muna, open. Tag-isa ulit kayong zipper. Go. Tapos, ang isasara nyo, itong yellow. Kaya ito, yellow. Slowly lang, ah. Slowly lang, ate. Sinira mo na. Slowly. Wait lang.
Tulog na! Yay!
Huh?
Eh!
Ano, gusto nyo dito matulog mamaya?
No.
Yes.
Ang init.
Mainit. O, dali, open mo na, baby. Yung sa net. Buksan mo yung net.
Init in the Philippines.
Dali, yung
Isa sa mainit.
sa sahig. O, pwede na kayong mag-Girl Scout camp. Ang ganda. Ikot si Papa, hindi. Do it again ulit niya. Come on. Wow, nice. It's a viral face now. How about you, ate? Come on. I take a picture. Come on, ba, ate? Come on, go. There you are.
Hindi yan.
Ang galing, oh. Ay, ikaw, dali. Tanggalin mo yung salamin mo, dali. Bilisan, para makita yung kagandahan mo, tapos ilapit mo yung tent mo. Kay Papa na tong dila, wala na akong magagawa. Yung mukha nito ba naman, nilagay doon sa tent eh. O, inulit mo. Dali, go. Malaki siya. Kita nyo naman yung mga anak ko, di ba? Ang laki. Kawawa naman yung baby ko. Halika na. O, paano mag-dismantle? Come on, get out. Refix again. Come on. From the start.
Slowly.
O, slowly lang daw. O, dali na, slowly. Bayan, tapos na. Tapos na ang vlog. Papatay na. Thanks for watching na.
Pwede mo.
Eddie, wow.